Welcome to my channel. For the one who is looking at having spiced buttermilk or masala lassi during the coming summer, this is the perfect recipe to opt for. Not only during summer season, this suits all seasons, say winter season or rainy season, because the ingredients used in this recipe build up our immunity. Let's get to preparing now. For this, take 1 cup curd. This is 250 ml quantity. Transfer this into a mixer jar or a blender. Now add 1 cup water, equal quantity as curd. Now the total quantity is half liter. For this add 1 spoon finely chopped ginger, fistful fresh coriander along with stems for enhanced flavor, 12 to 15 mint leaves, half spoon dry roasted cumin powder. If you don't have dry roasted cumin powder, you can add regular cumin powder without roasting cumin, I meant. Half spoon black salt, little salt, the normal salt, quarter spoon chaat masala. Give pulse 3 to 4 times. Now after adding all these ingredients, now the delicious spicy buttermilk is ready. It's very simple, it hardly takes 5 minutes. We can serve this as chilled or as it is at room temperature. Give it a try once and let me know your feedback. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to Appalamma's Kitchen if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.